Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by extracting the degrees of freedom, the numerator df1 from the between group variance and the denominator df2 from the within group variance. Next, pick your significance level, for example 0, 0, 5 or 0, 0, 1 because the table is keyed to alpha. Also decide whether your test requires a one-tailed lookup. Most F tests use the upper tail. Once done, you'll be ready to locate the correct row and column in the F table and proceed to interpolation if needed. Now go straight to the F table. Find the header for your chosen alpha, then locate the row corresponding to df1 and the column for df2. Some tables swap row/column roles, so verify the layout. If your exact degrees of freedom aren't listed, pick the closest lower df to be conservative or interpolate between adjacent entries. Interpolation gives a more accurate critical value. Calculate a weighted average by the distance between DFS. Make sure to keep track of rounding conventions used by the table. Finally, read off the critical F and compare it to your calculated F statistic. If calculated F exceeds the table value, reject the null. If results disagree or seem off, recheck your numerator and denominator DFS, confirm the table's alpha orientation, and review any interpolation math. Small mistakes in DF selection cause large errors. If the table remains confusing, use a calculator or software to produce an exact F critical value for your DFS and alpha to verify the manual lookup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.